It's a sword pistol that I thought you might be interested in purchasing.
You'll be shocked to hear the insane value of this rare pistol sword.
It's really interesting. How much you asking for it?
20 grand.
Let me call someone.
That'd be great.
It was made to kill wild boar once they were injured. It was strictly for hunting. This wasn't a combat type piece.
Late 1600s, maybe?
Or early 1700s, probably more like it.
What does a super fancy Hirschfänger go for?
If this could fire, it would show that it was truly built properly and not just for show. If not, the value drops quickly. Because I'm going to lower caliber, I patch the projectile. Okay, we're ready.
Okay. What do you think this thing is
The
worth?
realistic value in today's market is about $12,000.
What will you take for it?
12,000.
I'll give you 7.
I'll go 1050.
There's no money at that. I mean, I'll go $7,500. That'd be like it.
I think I can probably do better at an auction.
All right, man, if you change your mind, give me a call.